Hello everybody, my name is Radhika and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're watching me for the first time, please consider subscribing and click on the bell icon right next to it so that every time I upload a video, you will get notified about it. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about everything that is related to hyaluronic acid. What is it, what it does, the correct way of using it, and what to use before and after this active. So if you guys want to know about all of it, please keep on watching. First thing, what exactly is hyaluronic acid? So it is also known as glycosaminoglycan, which is actually a substance that helps in holding water and moisture. It has a very jelly and sticky like texture to it. We already happen to have hyaluronic acid in our body, and we can find that in our body, in the skin, in the joints, in the hair, and in your eyes, where most of it, which is more than 50% of it, can be found in your skin. But as we get older, we start to lose hyaluronic acid from the skin, which leads to dehydrated, dull and saggy skin. So what exactly does hyaluronic acid do? When hyaluronic acid is in abundance in your skin, it will make your skin look very healthy, very hydrated, very plump and very dewy. But a shortage of it in your skin can actually lead to saggy and dull skin, also dehydrated, which also furthermore leads to formation of fine lines and wrinkles in your skin. Also, hyaluronic acid is not a skin specific ingredient. You don't need to have a particular skin type to be able to use this particular active. This is the one active that no matter what skin type you have will work magically on your skin, because it actually helps in keeping your skin very hydrated by bringing back the lost hydration of the skin. It is basically like water for your skin, like how water works for our body. Hyaluronic acid basically does the same job for the skin. It helps in bringing back the hydration of the skin. And even if you happen to have sensitive skin type, it really doesn't matter, because this particular active is not going to show any kind of side effects on the skin. It is going to help in bringing back the lost hydration from the skin. The one thing that you need to keep in mind is that if you're using this alone, like just hyaluronic acid, then that is completely fine. But if you're using it with an ingredient that is an exfoliating ingredient mixed in a same serum, then you need to make sure whether what exactly is that exfoliating ingredient and whether it will be suitable on your skin or not. But if when mixed with an exfoliating ingredient, then you need to make sure that the exfoliating ingredient that it is mixed with is actually suitable on your skin or not. Only the blend of hyaluronic acid with an exfoliating active will work differently on different skin types. But if you're using hyaluronic acid alone, then that, no matter what skin type you have, you can use without worrying about it. Now coming on to the correct way of using hyaluronic acid, before I begin to tell you how to correctly use it, let me warn you that if you are not using hyaluronic acid correctly, it can actually end up into having reverse effects on your skin. In that case, instead of benefiting your skin, it can end up into damaging the skin. So hyaluronic acid, when applied on the skin, it holds water. But if your skin does not happen to have water, it will attract water from two ways. Either from within your skin, or else it will pull water from the air around you. If you are living in a humid area like the coastal areas of India, which is hot and humid throughout the year, you don't really have to worry about from where exactly is hyaluronic acid going to attract the moisture and water, since there is already humidity and water in the air around you. So naturally it's going to attract from the air and keep it on your skin, making your skin look very plump and healthy. But if you live in dry areas like the northern areas of India or the northern region of India, or else the Middle Eastern countries, which is usually very dry and hot and it does not have any kind of moisture in the air, hyaluronic acid will then in that case pull water and moisture from within your skin. On the surface, it is going to look very plump and hydrated because it's pulled the water from within your skin and it's keeping on the surface of your skin. But from the inside, your skin is going to start getting very dehydrated, and then it's going to lead even more problems related to skin. This is why if you live in a dry area, or where there is not a lot of moisture in the air, it is highly recommended that you either spray a face mist dampen your face or else moisturize as soon as you use hyaluronic acid on your skin, so that the hyaluronic acid does not pull moisture from within your skin, and that way your skin stays hydrated from within and on the outside. All you need to make sure is that you're keeping your skin hydrated, because hyaluronic acid is a very clever ingredient. It is very fast acting ingredient, so if you don't keep your skin hydrated, it will pull your either from the air, and if there's no moisture in the air, then it will start pulling the moisture from within, and then your skin will feel very dehydrated from within. Even though it's looking very plump and very glowing and very healthy from the outside, from the inside it's getting dehydrated with every passing day. Now coming on to what to exactly apply before and after the hyaluronic acid. So honestly speaking, it's not a lot of task. All you need to do is just dampen your skin, apply the hyaluronic acid, moisturize your skin with a moisturizer that suits your skin the best, and that's about it. That's pretty much it that you have to do. Hyaluronic acid can be applied before and after any serum. There is no rule that इसको पहले लगाना है, फिर इसको लगाना है, फिर उसको लगाना है. There is nothing of that sort. You can apply hyaluronic acid over and under any serum. It really doesn't matter. All you need to make sure is that whatever you do, just keep your skin hydrated and you're all good to go. Also, the maximum percentage of hyaluronic acid should not exceed for more than 2% to be used on the skin, because always keep in mind that anything excessive can lead to damage no matter what you do. And since it is a chemical active, even if it is something that's keeping your skin hydrated and giving you a very healthy and glowing skin, always keep this in mind that it is a chemical active. So don't start with complete 2%, which is the highest concentration. Gradually build it up, because your skin needs to get adjusted with anything external that you're using on your skin. So always keep this in mind and you are all good to go. So that's about it for today's video. If you have any questions or queries, you can leave them in the comment section below and I would love to answer them for you guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment down below, and also let me know how you like this video. I would love to hear it from you guys. Share this video with your family and friends, and if you and your family and friends haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that. Follow me on Instagram. The links to all my social media handles are in the description below. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye guys. Stay home, stay safe.